Hey y'all, how are you? How you doing? Mm-hmm. Boing, 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 black girl magic. If you don't know what that means, find out. But anyways, I'm not here for that. Seriously. Anyways, oh man, today I didn't even want to do a video. I'm so tired. My eyes is extra red than yesterday. I barely slept. Took a little nap. That was it. So, um, oh man, oh man, oh man. We had a great speaker today. I mean, she's really good. She's funny and she's excited at the same time. She's really nice. She's almost done with her dissertation. She's actually still going through the process, and she worked at GCU. Her name is Torilla Johnson. Great speaker. Oh my goodness, she was lively. I was tired, but I was able to kind of like stay awake because she was that interested, like really good. So today basically we work on our prospectus. Some of us still trying to define things. If you in the dissertation process, if you prospectus rather, if you still writing your gap, you behind, because there's a lot of other work that you need to do. There's homework, there's things that you need to do. So trying to keep up, like I'm telling you all of this to prepare yourself ahead, so that way when that time comes, you don't have to be like, oh my god, I still need to work on that. What they taught you at residency one, a lot of that stuff, your gap can change 3 or 4 times again, because mine did. I was one of those people that my gap was changed several times. So then that means you have to look for empirical literature to back the new topic, that whatever it is. It could be one word. If they change one word from your topic, you still have to find new research, empirical research to back it up. So it doesn't matter if it's one word, it doesn't matter if it's a whole sentence or half a sentence or whatever. Okay? You still have to find new articles. And if you have homework to do and you have to find new articles, it's gonna be tough. You're not going to have time to do anything. But if you do everything I tell you to do, you're gonna do it ahead, and you're gonna have a little time. Right now I have another class 880. I didn't even bother to email the professor, which I need to email them saying I can't do this. I cannot get any work done. I cannot get any work done because I'm struggling doing this right now. How am I supposed to start a new class? That is the dumbest thing. GCU need to do something about that, because that made zero sense to me. Zero. You see this? Zero, nada to me. That we have the prospectus or we have the dissertation, we're at residency, we're killing our butt, and then you have another course going that we're supposed to be responding and be reading. I know we doctoral student, but it's just a lot. At residency, I just would like to be at residency. We're struggling enough, but we have another class that we have to deal with. It's a lot. I don't know why they do it that way, but that's just the way it is for now. Until enough of us complain, maybe they'll do something about it. I don't know. So basically, Torilla Johnson was talking about use the DC network. Okay? Use the DC network 30 minutes a week. Make it as a plan. Use it. Everything you're looking for is in there. They revise the DC network, and usually they put it up and let you know. Okay? Even finding a content expert, it's on there too. She talked about your involvement in your synthesis. They have an example up there of how it break it down for you. So with your gap, you have to identify, describe, and state. Okay? And of course, we already say it's empirical research. So Torilla, she was saying that for each component of her study that she did, she had 50 to 60 articles. Take note, Take notes. I was taking notes. Yep. That's a lot of articles, but we already know the more article we have, the better off we are. It's better to have more than less. I know it's a lot of work, but it's better to have more than less. I mean, yesterday alone, I did almost 16 articles, just trying to find something for my gap to make more sense. So if you already have them, you could go back to that. But if you change your topic again, even if you have them, you have to research new articles because they're not gonna stand. It's not gonna. You have to do new article to back your research up. Okay, your study up. So look at your main idea of your topic. Okay, one of the method that she used, she record herself or she write it down. If she's having a problem, she record herself and she write it down, and then she let it go, and then she come back to it. I thought that was a good idea because I've never done that, so that's a good idea. I'm sharing that thought with you because I thought that was good. There's another website you give, phrasebank.manchester.ac.uk. Okay, so it's Phrasebank. That has a lot of phrasebank.manchester.ac.uk. I was trying to pull that up, I couldn't find it, but maybe you could pull it up. So so she had a lot of good examples of what we should do. And then you have a lot of time, like, to work on your own thing, but your gap everything have to be aligned, because if it's not aligned, all that time you're just gonna spend doing a lot of research, which if your topic changes, you have no choice, and it's just gonna put you behind. Be prepared. Don't fight the process. I tried it. Don't fight it. Like if they reject your topic, suck it up, put your big pants, boys pants, girl pants on, and move on, because it happens. Sometimes more than 3 times it happens. If it's not making any sense, you might have to come up with something different. Sometimes I know we get stuck. Like I got stuck. Like, oh man, I don't want to change. You don't want to, but sometimes you have to. And the best way to get out of your system is get the emotion out. Like, don't feel. You're gonna feel the emotion, but just breathe in, breathe out. Try your best. It's not easy. It's if it was easy, everybody else would do it. Like, I'm sleepy as hell, but look at me. I'm still trying to do this for you, to prepare you, and I still have a ton of work to do. So, but I almost didn't want to do it today. I'm like, oh, let me just help them out so they know what to expect, and blah 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 blah. So it is encouraged, because I was gonna do case study. It was recommended to do a descriptive study as opposed to a case study, because a case study have more, like, there's more involved. And I think you have to do a triangular something. There's more involved. So if you don't want to do all that extra stuff, you're trying to graduate. The key is trying to graduate. I'm not here to be at GCU forever. Sorry. So, but the key is to graduate. So keep that in the back of your head. So if you tell me descriptive is gonna be easier to do, hey, I'll do descriptive so I could just get it out of the way and be done, because I'm not here to stay forever. Okay, so then we break into groups, and all the qualitative students, scholars, have to go to one room, and all the quant have to go to a different room. Okay, so basically the person just repeat what the template is for the prospectus, and what is what to be expected. Like, you can do a field test of non-participant for your questionnaire, and you could do, you could send your recording, where you can send your recording when you do the translate, to transcribe your when you record somebody for your interview, data collection, things of that nature. So that's what she was talking about. I pretty much, like, you could ask for permission to record some of the things that they're saying, because sometimes they go so fast, and I'm trying to write. I'm like, wait a minute, what did you say? And sometimes they don't want to repeat it. Like, hello, like, I'm not a machine. I'm trying to get what you were saying here. It's all in the DC network. Okay, thank you very much. I'm tired as hell. I'm not gonna be looking at it now. I just wanna know I'm trying to type something. But anyways, so if you can ask them for permission to record, they don't like you to record with video, but you could record the sound, like of what they're saying, basically. Okay. Pretty much, more or less that was today. And then we got back. We had more time to work on our things. Some people is further along than others, and you have any question, the instructors are pretty cool. You could go and ask them question, but it's just long. It's just a long day, and that's just the way it is. But I think they changed the chairs. The chairs are better. So if we keep complaining, they'll change things. All right. So peace. I hope this was helpful. Tons of work to do. So not going to bed anytime soon. So hopefully if you do what I tell you to do, you have a little time to enjoy the pool or the gym or whatever. Peace.